Guys, uJojo Robinson, you know what? I've never understood this person. She's in her own world. She's just like, she's concerned about her tattoos now that she's undergoing a surgery. A day before she went for surgery, she's just like, oh, my tattoos, oh, my tattoos. I'm under like, please, still do say again, my tattoos. But my thing is that, guys, as fun, Masabant, Andy. Jojo loves her tattoos. I don't know how many she has. She's never really told us. But she has one almost every week. So I'm just like, so she was worried about the ones at the back. She's just like, guys, please see my back. It's not going to be the same when I'm done with the surgery. Because apparently, guys, she has skin cancer, Jojo. Rumor has it. I would say she has skin cancer, allegedly. So she had to undergo some surgery because of things like that. And then she's just like, now she's concerned about it. So people are just like, are you serious right now? Are you not concerned about your health? Concerned on bed. So yabona guys ukuthi asiboni ngokufana uJojo yathi uJojo uyawathanda ama-tattoo akhe like you've never seen. She's just like, oh, my tattoos, especially at the back. So she was showing them there on social media ukuthi nje uyabona le back, by the time I'm done with the surgery it will never be the same. And ngoba I think leyo skin graft mase ngibuka thathwa lokhu kuqhunywe, I can't. Oh my gosh. Okay. Uthi uJojo, for our information, noma wakhe had the skin cancer. Yeah, it's caused by a lot of things, including UV rays and all of that. The sun, obviously, you know how it is. When it comes to the skin, you'll be told, but at the same time, for you need vitamin D, you are confused now. You're just like, what must I do now? I love vitamin D, guys. I love it. I love it. I'm in winter. I takes me to other levels. The sun is so crazy and nice, but in the end of it, but it's actually not that good for you. You can just go maybe 15 to 20 minutes. You remember around COVID days, we were told to know you can go to the sun, you need the sun, So Jojo is actually educating us, guys. She's just like, please, we're no boozer. And it has nothing to do with tattoos, please. Shout out to Bube, Jojo's husband, for always supporting Jojo. We here as well supporting the Real Housewives of Durban. Siyambongela uBube, Nkosi yami, umthandani uJojo bantu hayi.